Hi everyone, I know it is a little late, but happy Chinese New Year. For a lot of Chinese New Year celebrants in Southeast Asia, bakwa is a staple in their households. Bakwa is a Chinese version of jerky. It is sweet, salty, and smoky. If you're like me, I usually eat them in my relatives' homes and always in moderation, since this thing is packed with calories, sugar, and fats. This year I'm alone abroad and decided to buy bakwa myself just to feel like it's Chinese New Year. But I ended up with 500 grams of bakwa. While it is great and all to eat by itself, I have here way too much and decided to incorporate this ingredient into different recipes. So if you have tons of bakwa left, I hope you do. Don't finish it so fast. Do try these recipes out to elevate your bakwa eating experience. Now I call this the lazy person bakwa rice bowl because this is the simplest recipe ever, courtesy of my housemate, but packs a punch as bakwa itself here has so much flavor already. So just prepare a bowl of rice. Slice your bakwa into small pieces. Drizzle some mayo or any dressing that you have just to add a little bit more flavor. I added this samyang carbonara sauce and add chopped spring onions for a little green and for garnish. And you're done. This is so good, so easy, but very sinful. Enjoy! Next up, we have bakwa grilled cheese sandwich. For this recipe, you'll only need white bread, sliced cheese, and bakwa. Also butter. So the first step is to reheat your refrigerated bakwa, if you keep them in the fridge, in the microwave, and just for a couple of maybe less than a minute. Be careful not to burn it. And then melt your butter in a pan, enough to cover 2 slices of bread. Then toast your bread and place your bakwa on the bread and put the sliced cheese on top. So it's just your classic grilled cheese sandwich with a twist. I also added samyang mayonnaise for more flavor and calories. And the result is amazing. This is really flavorsome. The mayo, the cheese, the smokiness of the bakwa. It is really just delicious, but also not the most healthy recipe. Next up, we have the Bakwa Bao Slider. I got inspired by this bao slider I've seen online but never tried. I had a hard time looking for this recipe just because I didn't know what it's called until I saw the name Bao Slider. I thought it would be difficult to find this type of bun in my local grocery stores, but I was wrong. I saw it on the shelf and it's called the lotus leaf bun apparently. Super happy with my find, and this is another very simple one. So you just really need to reheat your bun. Slice the bakwa into long slices or to your liking. Prepare a salad. You can assemble your own salad or buy a pre-made or ready-to-eat salad bowls. You can take that, drizzle some your salad dressing, and just assemble them. For this one, I'm trying out gochujang mayo because I have some gochujang at home and mayo. So I mix them up and I use them as a dressing, and here we have it. really cute and delicious looking bao sliders, and this is really good as well. So this is another fusion dish. It's bakwa pasta. Technically you can just use bakwa for any type of pasta dish or sauce of your liking. For today I have tom yum sauce and I'm making tom yum pasta. You just need to boil your pasta, drain them, heat up the sauce, or you can make sauce from scratch. I am lazy, so I bought a pre-made sauce and just top it off with bakwa, just like what you do for bacon. And we're done, and it is really great. The tom yum flavor and the bakwa is really great. You can do this for any other pasta dish. Last but not least, we have the nachos, bakwa nacho salad. I included this just so we have a recipe with more greens and looked less sinful. Place a layer of tortilla chips on a plate, then add some sliced bakwa, sour cream, salsa, coriander, and just repeat the layering until your ingredients are all used up. This is so quick to assemble and a really unique twist to your regular nacho recipe. All these recipes are really easy and quick to make, and best of all is that they're really good. Basically, you can just substitute meat ingredients like bacon with bakwa in any recipes and it'll be great. Hope you enjoyed this video and do try out the recipe and let me know how it goes if you do give them a try. Thank you so much for watching.